Here we will write a Python program to find power of a number using recursion. So first we will define function find power with two parameters as base and exponent. First we will check if exponent equal to 1, we will return the base. Else we will calculate the power. So we will return base into, we will call the function itself find power and we will pass the parameters base comma exponent minus 1. Then outside the function we will accept base and exponent from the user. So base equal to int input enter base value and we will accept exponent. So int input enter exponent and we will call the function find power. Since this function is returning the value, we will call this function in print statement. So print power of, we will give here base comma 2 comma we will give exponent equal to, we will call the function find power and we will pass base and exponent as a parameter and we will execute this. I will enter base value as 4, exponent value as 2. It will give power of 4 to 2 is 16.